Now you've finished coloring and you have your beautiful, colored in, smooth, professional looking skull. Don't forget in your coloring, if you didn't, that you could use things like radials or patterns or anything that you can find in swatches, brushes, and other symbols to fill in the different parts. Now let's zoom out and fit this to our screen. The last thing we want to do is add some text to make this a proper poster. So first we want to draw a box around all of our color pieces and our outline as well. Right-click and group these together. Mine's actually already grouped, so I'm going to ungroup it for the purposes of demonstration, and then group. This means they'll stay together and you won't leave any pieces behind. Now put this in the middle of your poster and resize it. Remember to hold down Shift when you resize so everything stays proportional, and put it around in the center so you can add your text below. Your text should have your name and some reference to Dia de los Muertos. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and click on the text tool, which is the T. You can also just hit T on your keyboard. And I'm going to go ahead and click right here and type Dia de los Muertos. Yours may come out smaller. Don't worry either way. You're going to click on it, you can move it into place, and then holding down Shift, you can make it larger or smaller and keep it in proportion. The reason I only typed one line is that I would actually like my name to be in a second line here. So I'm going to say, by Mrs. Chung. You can put your own name and you can rephrase this or make slight alterations to it, as long as I know who it belongs to when I print it as a poster. Now I'm again going to take this and resize the words here. Maybe this isn't the right font for you. If you'd like to change the font, come up here to Character. There's a ton of different options that you can choose from. When you've found the font that you like, and you've gotten the sizes of the fonts right, again, all that's required is that you reference Dia de los Muertos and that you've got your name somewhere on the poster. Then you can assume that your picture is done and ready to be saved. Because I'm going to take a look at how you used all the different tools in making your drawing, and I'd like to see your other artboards as well, the only additional thing you may choose to do, let's say you liked your live trace version of your skull better, is that if you'd like to add a fourth artboard and open up your original live trace skull and paste it in, you're welcome to do that. However, all I need to see is your 3 skulls and your 3 artboards, most importantly one that's colored in with text underneath it. Be sure to go to File and go to Save, and then take this file that you're working on right now, whichever file you just worked with, and upload it to our Schoology. The Schoology assignment where you can upload your skull is called Upload Your Completed Skull here, and you can simply submit the AI file. You don't need to save it as any other different kind of file for Miss Chung to review. Thanks for working so hard through the many trials and tribulations of this full tutorial. Hopefully you've also learned something about Adobe Illustrator along the way.